Hey, what's up guys? This is Ryan from Moviegoers, and today we're going to be unboxing the Scarface Steelbook. Now, I just got this in the mail from Amazon. I ordered it about 3 to 5 days ago, and I know if there's a lot more unboxings of this, but it's mostly of a different one. It's mostly of a pure red one, but this is the universal one that you get off Amazon now. I bought this for about $15 with the DVD and Blu-ray. It's a pretty good deal. And today I'm just gonna unbox it and show you what's inside, what you get for paying for this amazing steelbook. So here is the front. As you can see, it's still in the plastic. Because I just took this right out of the box, literally, and went down here and made an unboxing video. But here is the front cover of the steelbook. Scarface right there. Opaque now. Limited edition. Zoom. I'm filming with an iPhone, by the way, so might not be the best quality. Then you got the side, Blu-ray and DVD, Scarface, Universal. Here is the back slipcover. Now this isn't the actual back, this is just a slipcover over top, so perfect high definition picture, 7.1 audio. If you guys want to read that, I will pause it right here. Alright. Then we have pictures of the movie. You got a whole bunch of bonus features or special features. Man, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 special features. It's 7, but including deleted scenes. Pretty awesome. Got that picture on the front. You got the bottom, a Martin Bergman film production, or a Brian De Palma film. Opaque now, Scarface. It is in 1080p for high definition, widescreen, 1080p, widescreen, English, Dolby Digital. Alright, and it's 2 hours and 50 minutes. So, further ado, let's open this up. Gotta go full take. And also, if I sound tired, it's because I just woke up and saw that the steelbook came. Because I looked at my Amazon orders and I knew it was supposed to come today, but there we go. I haven't saw much unboxings of this Scarface steelbook. This is the new one that is sold. Oh, actually, there's no slipcover. This is the actual back of the case, and that's different. It's awesome too. Got the front with this matte finish. Then we open it up. Okay, and it has the ultraviolet digital download of Scarface. Back. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I stopped up a little. Here we go. Here's the back with all the other steelbooks that you can buy. And we got the Blu-ray. Then we have the DVD. So yeah, that is the Scarface Steelbook unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Now, sorry if I sounded tired. As I said, I just woke up. But I'm gonna go watch this movie. Amazing movie. And hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later, moviegoers. See ya, and subscribe. Make sure you like.